Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Snapchat jump button. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter, or you click on the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data, and in the end you can uninstall your app and you can install it again on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.